In this episode, we will talk about the best camera mounts for DJI Mini 5 Pro.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Honlyn camera mount. The Honlyn camera mount for the DJI Mini 5 Pro is highly regarded for its lightweight design and effective mounting position. These mounts typically clip securely onto the drone's body, often utilizing the top section or the battery compartment area, which is structurally rigid. This multi-purpose expansion mount is compatible with Insta360 cameras, Go Ultra cameras, and upgraded strobe lights, offering flexible mounting options for various shooting needs. Its integrated design locks securely onto the drone, blending seamlessly with the airframe without blocking auxiliary lights, vision systems, or sensor arrays. Soft interior padding protects the drone's body from scratches, ensuring safe and worry-free installation. Its minimal weight contribution is crucial for pilots who wish to stay under the critical 250-gram limit, providing versatility without significantly compromising flight performance or compliance. On number 2, we have Yuulnmop camera mount. The Yuulnmop camera mount often distinguishes itself with a focus on adjustability and multi-purpose use. These mounts typically provide an articulated joint or a flexible mounting plate, allowing the user to change the angle of the auxiliary camera independently of the drone's main gimbal. Featuring a one-piece precision design, this mount locks firmly onto the drone's frame to ensure rock-solid stability during flight. Its unique structure is carefully engineered to avoid blocking the drone's original LED lights, vision system, and sensors, while the soft internal padding protects the body from scratches for safe, worry-free use. Weighing only about 26 grams, the ultra-light construction minimizes any impact on flight performance. The quick one-click installation and removal makes setup fast and convenient, so you can stay focused on creating without added hassle. More than just an aerial accessory, this mount can also be used handheld or attached to a tripod for ground shooting. It gives content creators a versatile secondary camera solution, making it easy to capture unique overhead, angled, and dynamic perspectives that elevate vlogs and cinematic aerial footage. On number 3, we have Wtohoby camera mount. The Wtohoby camera mount often focuses on a highly secure, non-slip fastening method, designed for maximum stability during aggressive flight maneuvers. Unlike simple snap-on designs, the Wtohoby mount might utilize a strap or a more complex clamping mechanism that locks the accessory firmly to the drone's airframe, minimizing vibration and bounce. Integrated quick-release clamps allow fast, tool-free installation and removal for effortless setup. The foldable design preserves the drone's original portability, letting you store and carry the drone with the bracket attached for instant on-the-go filming. Built from precision-engineered ABS and weighing just 28 grams, this mount minimizes any impact on flight time and handling. Its low-profile structure maintains adequate ground clearance, ensuring safe takeoff and landing even on uneven surfaces. So these are some of the best mounts to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.